Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Matt with Funnel.works and all things funnels.blog. So, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about funnel scripts, not just funnel scripts, but funnel scripts unlimited. All right, I've been holding off on making this just because there's so much information going around about the new funnel scripts unlimited program, how it works, who's eligible for it, and how you guys get eligibility and how you guys actually make your upgrades or make the purchase. So, that's what we're going to be covering down on here in this. If you guys have already got, or if you guys want to see more about funnel scripts itself, see what's inside, I'm going to leave a link up here in the top, a little clicky bar thing, whatever it is. Click on that, and I'll take you back to one of our other reviews that we've done. We'll do a small review here just to show you some upgrades, but this is mostly for you guys to understand what it is, Funnel Scripts Unlimited, and what's going on with this upgrade, okay? So, first of all, funnel scripts. I'm talking to you guys that are brand new out there. You guys have never had it, don't know what it is. It's basically a script writing program for people that don't want to pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for like a grade A. I don't know what they call them, like type A type A copywriter. Those of the copywriters that are charging like 25, 30 grand for a sales letter. You guys can knock one out for the price of funnel scripts or funnel scripts unlimited. You guys get in there, write a little bit about what it is that you're doing. It's kind of like an ad lib. You put in some words based on what they're asking you about. Hey, what's the name of the product? Who is it for? And then it'll ask you a series of questions, and then it'll spit out an awesome script. There's a bunch of scripts. I'm going to take you through some of them here in just a moment. This is their website, funnelscripts.com. And you guys can go here right now and get the program for life, or unlimited, as they call it. You don't have to make yearly payments on it for $7.97. And that's pretty much the big deal because it used to be $500 a year. You would like I paid $500 a year for the last 3 years and paid probably at this point I'm guessing $1,500 for funnel scripts, and that makes in and of itself the $7.97 for life probably the best deal you could possibly get. I've already paid twice that, so why wouldn't you? And I have to keep on paying that. Now I can get grandfathered into the lifetime, of course, for an extra $97. But that's not where we're going with this. If you guys have already had funnel scripts, you guys were one of those old folks. I don't say old folks. If you guys are legacy guys that purchased funnel scripts back in the day and you guys have been paying on it, you guys are eligible for a $97 upgrade. If you got funnel scripts as an upgrade, or I think this is correct, if you guys got funnel scripts as a bonus for getting funnel builder secrets, then you guys will pay $297. Now, I want you guys, don't take everything that I'm saying here for gospel. If you guys have any questions on what you guys are eligible for, how to make those upgrades, you guys do need to go to the Funnel Scripts support or Clickfunnels support. They'll put you in touch with the Funnel Scripts team. They'll tell you exactly what you guys are eligible for and exactly how much it's going to cost. Okay, so but from what I know, from this is why I've been holding off because it's a little bit confusing. I wanted to make sure I gave you guys like halfway normal like information on this so that it was like somewhat not confusing. But let's do this. Let's jump in. I'll show you guys this, and you guys can see what you guys will get out of this. All right. So once you're inside, and they're on, I think they're on like version 3. They keep making upgrades. It's actually self-contained software program inside of WordPress, and it contains scripts and wizards. All right. So these are downloadable. Like if you want to write a VSL, then you can watch the training. He puts you through the training and shows you how to do it. You can download the wizard, put it on your computer. They've got versions of this for Windows, for Mac. And then you basically just follow the prompts, guys. That's literally it. You write it up. It spits you out a script. It'll actually spit you out slides if you're using one of these wizards, which is pretty cool. Dirty little secrets. I think it's a hook, is what it is, because they're trying to pull headlines so that you can be like, hey, I've got these dirty little secrets, so that you can do X, Y, and Z, and it really hooks people in and says, hey, I want to learn how to do this too, right? So you put in the information. This one's short. And so who's your target audience? Twitch streamers. What's the KPI in this area? They want to get more followers. Or I don't know if it's blocker or anything that they really want to avoid getting accounts shut down. Who's the enemy in this situation? Twitch. All right. So after that, you can build bands. Totally build this out for you. Hopefully. What is that? Might take a second. Let's just assume it takes. Oh, what's your keyword? Twitch. My keyword phrase is more Twitch followers, subscribers. This is one of the niches that we're working on. So let's hit build. Make sure you build everything into it. Get more Twitch subscribers with this dirty little secret. Bam. And then you can copy that and put it in. They're not going to come out of this perfect unless you happen to be the perfect writer. but you could take these and kind of gussy them up and make them a little bit better. All of these are set up the same way. I recommend getting in here and looking through these, or again, check out that other video that I made that's got most of the stuff in here, and you guys will get a little bit more insight as to how this works. Okay, for everybody else who's brand new, who's like, oh wow, this is gonna write my copy for me. I can copy paste, put it into my website, and go straight to business. This does webinars, it does VSLs, it does emails, it does hooks, headlines. This thing is amazing. All right, 5 minute. I like using this one. This one's one of my new favorite ones. Is brand new. The 5 minute perfect webinar. If you want a big $1,000 sale, obviously use the perfect webinar wizard. But lots of good things going on here. Call to action script, magic bullet script. I'm not going to get into what each of these are, but they're going to train you up on that when you guys get on the inside. You can save your projects so you can come back to them, rewrite them, that kind of thing. There's training for each one of these, and a demo once you guys get inside. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this has been somewhat helpful, and I want you guys to give this a shot. They do have a 30-day return policy, so if you guys want to give it a shot, if you don't like it, after 30 days, you want to give up this lifetime access, then that's on you. And I want you guys to go give it a shot. $7.97. If you guys have any questions, leave your questions down in the comments. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. And let me know what questions you guys have, okay? I'll catch up with you guys in another video. Take care and have a good one.